23 CR 1648 is now called. The State of Texas versus Ronald LeBeau. That's you?
Yes, please.
Present with John West, your attorney, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about October 4th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the second-degree felony of robbery. Do you understand what you were charged with by the grand jury?
Yes, sir.
An agreement's been reached in this case where you will be pleading guilty to the lesser included state jail felony of theft from person. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
So you understand, sir?
Stand by. Okay, as you know, the theft statute has no end to it. It's like a
Judge, I've
Twilight Zone episode. What is the particular under section 31.03?
correct.
Where are we?
When we get to that, Judge, if you'll look at subparagraph E, number 4, large letter B gives us the punishment range that makes it a state jail felony.
Okay, that section under section 31.03 of the Texas Penal Code called theft under subpart felony. Subpart E, subpart 4. An offense under this section is a state jail felony if regardless of the value, the property is stolen from the person of another. And a person commits an offense if he unlawfully appropriates property with intent to deprive the owner of property. Appropriation of property is unlawful if it is without the owner's effective consent. And thus, yeah, I got to put all this stuff on the plea papers here where it just says robbery. You don't want that on your,
Sir?
you don't want a robbery on your.
Not at all. Not at all.
So this is under section 31.03, subpart E, subpart 4, subpart large case B. what this is about. It carries with it no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand the punishment range, sir?
Understood, sir.
Agreements has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 1 year state jail. Is that your understanding of the agreement? There's no loss. There's no loss here?
No.
Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand, sir?
Correct.
How do you plead to this, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty to this lesser included offense, state jail felony of theft from person, voluntarily, and because you are guilty?
Voluntarily.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1.
Give the hand right.
Did you sign that document voluntarily?
I did, sir.
Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney?
Yes, sir, we did.
Is everything true and correct there?
True and correct.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you were mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You are guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. Correct?
Yes, correct.
State's Exhibit 1, part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report is waived.
Yes, please.
I will follow this agreement if nothing's further needed. You are pleading guilty today voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. There is sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this lesser included state jail felony of theft from person. I am following this agreement. You are hereby sentenced to confinement in the state jail for 1 year. You will be given credit for all time you have served in accordance with this case. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That is all.
Yeah.
All right, we are in recess. Get ready